Pub in the Park is, well, it celebrates all things food and music. So we invite the best restaurants in the local area and touring restaurants to come and join us in local parks and serve up delicious food that you would maybe not ordinarily experience. Big names include Rick Stein, Tom Kerridge, Jodie Kidd, Atul Kutcher. It's a really exciting tour that's still growing. So as I said, in 2017 it was Marlow. Last year was Marlow, Tunbridge Wells, Bath and Knutsford. And those 4 went really well, and we returned to them this year and added 4 to the portfolio. So we've got 8 this summer. We've opened 34 times at those events for the different sessions, and we've seen over 115,000 visitors across the tour. And we've had 42 pubs catering for those visitors. PKL we sort of started speaking to back in October last year, and they've got 2 days to kit out all the kitchens. We have floor plans that are given to us beforehand. She liaises with our kitchen and restaurant managers. And generally there's a bespoke build for most people, so it starts as a base package that we offer to all restaurants, and then depending on what their menu is, we bespoke build that. So they may request certain pieces of kit which we can swap out or we can add on, so they've got brilliant flexibility. It's probably not as simple as some of their gigs, and adding in the touring element and different menus for different pubs and different venues, it makes for quite a complex logistical nightmare, but they've been brilliant. What's lovely about PKL is we had brilliant conversations in advance. You know, January, February, we were sitting down looking at the restaurants, agreeing how many restaurants were going to be there, and obviously the experience they brought from the last 2 years has meant that it's been really smooth. I think it's lovely as an ops manager to be able to just step back and let them crack on. It's a real pleasure actually, because it could be something that could take up a lot of my time, but because they're very organised in advance, where I'm able to just let them arrive on site, make sure they've got what they need in place, you know, the water, the power, and they tie in very well with the contractors that we've had touring, so it's made for a very smooth restaurant and kitchen setup at each venue.